Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then we're going to select where we're located for the sake of delivering purpose. Then here you guys could log in 3 options, either with the phone number, Google or Apple. I personally chose to continue with Google. So as you can see, my account has been created using my Google account. You guys could also choose your delivery address as well. Then this is basically how you create it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.